Hello, it's me, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Hey, I just did a live stream about my project box that's over there. Oh, look at my table, it's disgusting. Oh well, situation normal. Anyways, people want to see me work in Bird Journal next. So in order to work in Bird Journal, we got to make a Bird Journal. Got the cover, but it ain't got no pages. So we need, yes we do, we need some pages. Don't you think pages would be helpful? I mean, really. Uh-oh. Okay. While we're cutting the pages. Had not noticed this before. Better to notice it now. Hold this for a second. So it's like a really nice day out, except it's a little dry. I had to get the water hose out and water my plants, which is okay. I just don't like to do it too often. Uh-oh. Yeah, something's got to go over my boo-boo. Okay. Did I have one of those measuring devices? Yes, I did. And I came up with 9 1/4 that way. And if I cut them, I'm going to cut one 15 inches. Just to see how it fits. I need more space. This is the Amazon packing paper, and Stacy told me it was prep rated, and look, she is correct. Prep rated. This ain't a good piece. (15, 16), almost 17 inches. So what did I say I needed? 9. Hey, where's my thing? I got it. I got it. So 9 1/4. Okay. Nope, I can't go that way. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1/4. It's almost not long enough, but I can make it work. Okay, that was really bad. But whatever. And I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5 is 15. Let's cut it at 15 to start. Okay. my book. I think that'll work. So I have some other big papers. I'll be right back. Okay, we will cut a couple more of this size of the brown too, but okay, this is close, so I'm gonna throw those in. This is my template. This is dyed ledger paper. It's already cut. This is, I don't know what this paper was, but look at it. It's beautiful. Scoot it all the way to the edge. This way I will have scrappage. Yes, scrappage for gluage. We still have a go. So let's see how we're hanging here. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 2 more. I don't want to do another one of these. Let me go over there and look and see what I have. Okay, I have this big ledger. It's different. I'm just going to come at it at a different angle. All right, you shaved all this off. Whoops. I meant to do that. Okay. Okay. I feel like I should put some little, what do you call them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoops, 8. Okay, bear with me. I'm having an issue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I still need 2 more, but I want some shorter ones. Okay, so I added this scrapbook papers. So now I have 10 pages folded. It's 20, 40 front and back. Now I think it's I'm going to trim it just a little bit more on this edge. I just know how these things go. No, I'm not saving those. I'm not saving those. Okay. Get my needle. This is Nymo thread. It's beading thread. It's very strong. I've been using it to sew in my journals. I need a new blade. A new paper blade. I want to go right down the center of that. Scratch my head here. My pokey thing. But looks like it's the middle. Okay. Time to find the pokey thing. You know, sometimes it's over here. Sometimes it's in my custom people, wherever that is. I'm going to use the old-fashioned Jack the Ripper Victorian button hook pokey thing. Oh, no, you don't. Now, I gotta go get some beads. Okay, I've gone with these. Pretty, pretty. So we've gone through the first hole to the back. Now we're going to randomly put some beads on. These beads are larger, so you have to measure more often to get a sense of where you are. One more. Okay, that brings me right to my top hole. So through that hole and peek and see where your signature holes are. Better to be slow than sorry, right? Whoops. That didn't work as anticipated. Really? Where did I go wrong? There. Ta-da. See it? Then you will go down and back through the middle. Look how pretty, look how pretty. I took a different way home last night because I live 60 miles from, work, and there's multiple ways to get there when you live in the country or, in a rural setting. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is the road I took brought me right out to the library in Rantoul. So, of course, I had to stop. And I got a couple of cool books, and I got some audio books. And I didn't have to deal with the library Nazis. I got to deal with the cool librarian with the purple hair. Her name is Karen, and I love her. She She runs a knitting group there. Which I never get to go to because it's too far away and I'm old and I am asleep by the time they really get going. And the Rantoul library always has free books. But I didn't get none because I'm on the 100 Things Challenge. Too loose. Okay. I tighten them up somehow. I'm going to pause this and undo it. And I'll be back. Okay, I got it all tightened up. Needs a drop of glue. So, okay, we're going to work in the bird journal next. I mean, you know, it's going in the rotation. Yep. Let that dry. But this is bothering me. So let's just find our very first bird to put in there. About this happy guy right there. He's kind of weird. We're all weird, right? We're all weird. I will prop this. I will prop it like thus. And prop that like that. Stay. Stay. Okay. I've been using Kathy's sign a lot. Please subscribe. I need friends. And I'm not going to tell you to ring the bell and all that crap. Don't you know that by now? Everybody and their brother says it, so anyway. Come back. This is, wait. Where is it? This is number 30. Okay, this is going to be fun. Number 30. Binding. The bird book. You asked for it, guys, and you got it. So, I'll see you next time.